Hi, this is Greg Jordan of the Next Level Local Business. Welcome to the first in a series of videos that we're putting together to help you to improve your online reputation. And today's video topic is going to be why your online reputation matters. We're going to cover how online reviews define your reputation and how buyers depend on them to make purchases. Secondly, how online reviews actually affect your business. So what we know that a variety of research and surveys have been done, and over 90% of consumers now read online reviews for local businesses before they buy. Now, that number is high enough that we all should be concerned about what is our online reputation. We also know that 85% of consumers think that reviews older than 3 months aren't relevant. So what that means is that people are looking for more current reviews. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. Third, over 215 million people in the U.S. shopped or started their shopping online in 2017. Now, we're recording this video in 2020, and that number has significantly grown since then, especially in these days of the pandemic when everybody is online and shopping online. So if those statistics aren't enough for you, just ask yourself 3 simple questions. Number 1, do you read online reviews before you buy? Number 2, do you think your customers read reviews before they buy? And number 3, if you had to choose between 2 companies, one with positive reviews and one with negative reviews, and that's all you had to judge a company by, which one would you choose? Well, I think the answers to these questions, these simple questions, are pretty obvious, and they all point towards you need to have a solid, good reputation online. And Google reviews are a large part of your reputation and your brand online. And here's yet another study that showed that 88% of buyers trust reviews as much as personal recommendations. So it's important to keep in mind your Google reviews are attached to your business online permanently, and they show up in online searches and ads everywhere online. They are, in effect, your online reputation. Now, there are other things that may figure into your online reputation as well, but Google reviews make up the bulk of them. Why is that? Because that's how people find your products, your services, and your company. Google gets almost 80% of search traffic. Reviews on other platforms like Facebook, Trustpilot, websites, they're all important and they figure into your online reputation, but none has the clout and the reach and the meaningfulness of Google reviews. You may not have known this, but Google has now created and incentivized thousands of additional reviewers in their local guides program. What they do is they incentivize people to go out, interact with your business, and come back and then leave a review online. The local guides program has actually been in effect for a couple of years. So we know that reviews in the future will be even more plentiful and more important. And of course, corollary to all of this is that positive online reputations attract business. Negative reputations create what I call invisible losses. An invisible loss is people don't get online and read negative reviews about your business and then call you up and say, hey, I read you had some negative reviews. I didn't like what I heard, so we're going to go with somebody else, okay? People don't do that. Instead, what happens is your phone rings a lot less. Your traffic to your website is a lot less. The traffic to your business is a lot less. And I call these invisible losses. So in summary, your online reputation matters because of 2 basic reasons. 1, people believe online reviews. They are actively searching for them and they depend on them to help make buying decisions in almost every single business category. Google reviews make up the majority of a business's online reputation. Number 2, creating a positive online reputation attracts new customers, helps to keep existing customers, builds a dynamic online presence, and increases the value of your brand. All of those are worthwhile reasons for you to pay strict attention to having a positive online reputation. So that's it for this video. We'd appreciate any comments that you have. You can leave them below the video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well, the little button that shows you, gives you notifications for when we produce new videos. We're going to be producing a series of these, as I mentioned before. The next one is going to be 3 strategies for building a successful online reputation that any business can do. We'll see you in the next video.